Time to meet Gabe.
How's your shoulder feeling after?
I think Gabe's back there.
You ready for the big bang tonight?
Excuse me. Does everyone in this town hug at first sight? How long have you and Charlotte been dating?
About 3 years now, I think.
You must spend a lot of money on bouquets.
She's worth it.
Just watch your feet. Yep. Watch your feet now. It's getting windy. My feet are fine.
Wow. Good to know.
Well, here we are.
These are really nice.
Thanks. I hand wove every wreath myself.
Wow. You should start a business.
It's not about the money, Alex.
What did you think of the show?
Local beekeeper breaks state record for total number of bees. Stop the presses.
Hey, don't hate. How many bees do you have?
Last time I checked, like 0 bees.
That one was so good, but live is a whole nother thing, you know?
Totally.
Alex, wait up.
What are you doing tomorrow?
Not much. I think I'll meet with Katie.
Alex, where are you going?